Aloha and namaste. My name is Desi Bartlett, and I'm a fitness and yoga expert here on the island of Oahu. And today I'd like to share my favorite tips for spring cleaning your body and your mind. You will feel renewed and rejuvenated from the inside out. One of my favorite ways to clean the energy in the body is with Palo Santo. Palo means wood and Santo means holy. This comes from Peru, and the idea is that when we burn this wood, we create a sacred smoke, if you will, and it helps us to cleanse our energy. So you're simply going to light the stick and wait for there to be a little bit of smoke. And then when you're ready, you can use it in front of any part of your body that needs a little bit of healing. It might be your sinuses during allergy season. It might be your throat and wanting to speak up. It might even be your heart. In the practice of yoga, we work with something called pranayama. This is focusing on our breathing. Today, we're going to learn how to box breathe. You're going to inhale for the count of 4 through the nose, hold the breath for 4, exhale through the mouth for 4, and then hold again for 4. Let's begin. Inhale through the nose, hold, through the mouth, hold, and you do this a total of 4 times to find a sense of peace, calm, and centeredness in your body and your mind. This spring, take time to get out into nature, to open your heart, and you can join me for a virtual retreat on YouTube.